Welcome to my channel, Sako
I
5100.
want to buy like one of everything in the vending machine. But like,
Pause. You're trying to get your kids into college.
look at those beautiful rock formations up there.
How does it make you feel?
I feel poorly about the situation,
I
sibling.
like it. And there's a fossil right here.
I'm not editing any of this at all. I'm just gonna keep a bunch of footage on your phone.
There's a fossil right here.
You can look at it later.
You're not gonna edit it at all?
Nah.
Oh my god.
I'm keeping it on your phone.
I knew you didn't know how to use it. Are you recording? What should I get? A Butterfinger? Should I get a Butterfinger?
Yes, you should get a Butterfinger, you piece of shit.
Should I?
No.
Alright, let's see. Alright. Nice. That's pretty good.
Is it melting the flavors are melting on your tongue?
Mmm. Should we go in the pool room, even though there's a guy watching TV in it?
I don't know, you feel like talking over him?
I would be too shy. I'd be like, hey guys, you want some? But a filmer can't eat. Oh my god. That's pretty good. Guys, we have to be quiet. Look. Damn, that was pretty good. Alright, you get the scooter. And I'll get the bike. Are you getting the scooter? Alright guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.